Hey everyone, welcome back to Endless Foodpot channel. Today we are making a delicious and tangy lemon pickle that you can enjoy with your favorite dishes. Let's get started. First we'll need 50 lemons. Make sure to wash and dry them thoroughly. Since we are making a large batch, we'll cut 35 lemons and each lemon into 4 pieces and put it in a large mixing bowl and squeeze the juice from the remaining 15 lemons into the same bowl. Next we'll add 4 teaspoons of turmeric and a cup of salt. Mix everything together. Transfer the mixture into a clean airtight container. Now we will let the mixture marinate for 5 to 6 days. Alright, it's been 5 days and our lemon pickle is ready to the next step. The best part is this pickle can be kept like this for up to a year. Whenever you need it, just take a small amount of pickle in a bowl and add tadka to it. Let's add some spice to the pickle. You can customize this part based on your preferences. Here I am adding some red chili powder for an extra kick. You can add ripened chili paste as well. Now let's prepare the tadka to enhance the flavor. In a pan, heat some oil and add half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let them splutter. Next add a teaspoon of fresh garlic paste. Now pour the tadka into the lemon pickle and mix everything together. Our tangy lemon pickle is ready to be enjoyed. This pickle not only enhances the taste of your meals but also has numerous health benefits. So next time you are feeling under the weather, give this a try.